Good morning, guys. Join me as I make breakfast for my family and also satisfying my cravings with Nigeria Akara and Akamo. This is what we'll be having for breakfast. So for this plate now, I get my beans. I don't already blend them. I blend the beans with some onion, crayfish, pepper, and some seasoning cube. So after I blend and finish, I can add small salt to taste, and then I can slice another onions put. Na make una dey see onions for the surface like this. So after all this, after this process, I can turn everything together. So this is my pot. I will leave this pot na make e heat up, then I'll come add my vegetable oil. The reason why I no dey like to dey make akara every time, e too dey waste vegetable oil, still dey waste. See, if you wan really make akara, groundnut oil na im be the key, because if you no put enough groundnut oil, your akara e get the way e go take come outside o. So and na know na oil don cost for Europe here. I no know about Nigeria. Na Europe where I dey na I dey talk. Oil don cost, so no be every time say person go dey waste oil. Even this one sef wasn't even enough. This many oil wey una dey see, so the oil don already heat like this. I don dey add the akara one by one. No be that one wey me do that day wey spoil. Today me just ready for am. So I don dey add the akara. After you add the akara finish, your oil, make sure say you dey control am, the heat, because if the heat too much, your akara go burn. So make sure you're controlling it. If you see say the heat not too much, you lower am small. So now my akara don dey almost dey ready. This is the I think the second batch, because I don already comot the first batch, because I no wan make the video come too long. This is the second batch. I don dey flip am. Wey you go, if you see say the akara don dey brown like this, make sure say you quick flip am, because if you no flip am, the thing go come burn. And I'm not sure say you go like your akara make e burn. Like my husband now, he no dey like make your akara dey burn too much. Just when e don dey this kind golden brown like this, if akara don too burn, he no dey like am. So make sure you flip am. After you don see am say e don dey brown like this, you flip am. This one na the only breakfast wey be say I go eat, and e go carry me till evening. So if you be that kind of person be say you no wan dey eat too much, like you wan cut down your weight, make you try eat akara and akamu, because beans are packed with protein and then fiber, so no too much carbohydrate. Na one food wey be say e dey good for diet. People wey be say wan do diet, this food na number one choice. Beans, vegetable, e dey very good. So this is the outcome. I don already make my akamu. This my akara. Guys, una come join me. Will you be trying this? Drop your comments for the comment section. Abeg, try make you like this video, comment, and follow our page if you never follow our page. Thank you so much.